more than a milestone. It's the culmination of a journey in and out. But not once did we bend on our values. From executing trades on that tiny floor to ringing the bell today at the NSE, our North Star has always remained unwavering. Do what's right for our clients with humility, with ethics, with relentless commitment. As I stand here today, my heart is full and overflowing with gratitude to the Almighty and our guiding angels, respected Bauji, Bai, and my mum, who continue to bless us from above. If I'm standing here today, a large part of the credit goes to Bauji, my father-in-law, who is a champion for women creating value at work. To my father, Shri Anand Rathi, your name may be on the building, but it lives in every brick, every principle we hold dear. Your vision built the foundation on which we stand today, and you live in our hearts always. To Pradeep, your quiet strength, unwavering discipline, and that signature Lord Buddha smile. Carried us all through it. I still remember our daily rides from Goregaon to Fort with our 1-year-old daughter. It's fine made it so much seamless and easier. To Krishnav, at just 24, the maturity, diligence, and grace with which you've navigated this IPO makes me beam with pride. You don't just carry the future, Krishnav, you brighten it. To Aishwarya, my daughter, you arrived in our lives alongside this dream. She's exactly the age of Anand Rathi share and stock brokers. You're truly our Lakshmi. To Ruchir, the finest young man I know and the best son-in-law I could ask for. To my siblings, Amit, Pooja, Supriya, and Vimlesh. Wish you were here to share this day. Your love, laughter, and legacy always stay with me. To Tanisha, Anushka, Jia, and Veer, the next gen of torchbearers, I see sparks of greatness in each of you. Asha Didi, Kailash ji, Prabhaji ji, your steadfast presence has been our superpower. To Roop ji, Vishal, Jugal ji, Rajkumar ji, thank you for believing in us from day one. This is not just a company triumph, it's a collective legacy of belief, love, and trust. To the Anand Rathi Parivar, to our friends, mentors, and extended family, your presence here and always is what fuels us. It means so much. So yes, today I stand before you not just as a proud entrepreneur, but a grateful daughter, a proud wife, and a beaming mother. And most of all, a humble believer in what values can build. Because we didn't just build a business. We built trust, we built impact, we built something that will last. Along the way, we embraced tenacity, agility, and innovation, whether it's in our products, our strategy, or our technology. But what anchors us is this: we did it the right way. With values at the center and integrity as our compass, the world of opportunities only grows larger. So much more of what we excel at, and so much more to build around as our economy grows by leaps and bounds. So here's to the road ahead. With folded hands, full hearts, and the fire to create a world-class company and organization. We welcome our new investors who have placed great faith on us. Ladies and gentlemen, like they say, great companies, like great people, don't stumble into excellence. They commit to it relentlessly. So onwards and upwards from here. Thank you to my friends, family, everybody who's joined us today.
you so much, ma'am, for always inspiring us and onwards and upwards for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, now let us turn our attention to the financial discipline and meticulous execution that underpinned this entire public offering. The next speaker is the architect of our financial prudence and the steady hand that guided us through the complex formalities of the IPO. Please welcome the leader of meticulous oversight, Mr. Roop Bhutra. Very, very warm welcome.
Good morning. It's a great feeling to be here on this particular platform for the listing purpose. That's really great. So esteemed regulators, Ashish sir, thanks for coming here. Respected member of stock exchanges, distinguished guests, and my colleagues and friends, and part of the all I can say entire AR family members. Standing here today, I am filled with a profound sense of accomplishment and gratitude. The dream of listing Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited on stock exchange has finally come true. What began as an aspiration, nurtured through years of hard work and strategic planning, has now materialized into this momentous reality. This listing represents not just a corporate milestone, but the fulfillment of a collective vision that has driven us forward. Our chairman and vice chairman have shared our journey, the values and the vision that have brought us to this historic day. As CEO, I had the privilege of working alongside an extraordinary team that has turned this vision into a reality today. At the outset, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our core team, the leadership, the managers, and every single employee who has worked tirelessly behind the scene. The listing is as much your achievement as it is of the company's. Your dedication and your unwavering commitment to excellence have been the driving force behind the success. Thank you for believing in this dream and making it reality. I would like to also extend our sincere appreciation to the regulatory authorities and the strong exchanges. Your guidelines, support, and cooperation have been instrumental in ensuring a seamless listing process. To our investors, be it on the institutional side, be it on the retail side, sincere thanks for placing your confidence in us. Your participation in our IPO is not just a financial investment, it's a vote of confidence in our vision, our strategy, and our ability to deliver sustainable value. We recognize the responsibility that comes with this trust that you have chosen to partner with us in our growth journey, and we are committed to fulfilling it. I want to once again thank our chairman and vice chairman for their visionary leadership, our board of directors for their wisdom and guidance, our advisors and partners who supported us through this IPO process, and most importantly, our clients and our business partner who has supported in this entire journey. On a personal note, my address on this auspicious occasion would not be complete without an acknowledgement of my family who has stood behind me and always supported me in terms of doing all this dedication. Today, as we celebrate this landmark achievement, let us also renew our commitment to the values and principles that have brought us here. To end, I would like to say that we will remain agile, responsive, and forward-thinking, always keeping the best interest of our stakeholders at the heart of everything we do, wishing of us all the best. Thanks a lot, friends.
Thank you so much, sir, for that warm speech, that heartfelt address. Thank you very much once again. Ladies and gentlemen, We now move to a special moment of recognition from the NSE to the company. We will now have an exchange of mementos, and for which I invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Shri Anand Rathi ji, and Mr. Pradeep Gupta to please come on stage. I request all three dignitaries to please come on stage, as we'll be having an exchange of mementos to commemorate this ceremony. Let me tell you what's going to happen. Mr. Pradeep Gupta, sir, please come on stage. Yes. So first we'll be presenting from the National Stock Exchange, that is Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, sir, will be presenting it to the company management team. The special listing memento. Yes, so now, yes. So we'll be starting with the company. He's the chief guest. So we'll be starting with Anand Rathi ji and Mr. Pradeep Gupta, giving it to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. What a fantastic moment this is, ladies and gentlemen. And now, yes. And that is the iconic National Stock Exchange replica of the bell that we have. This is a very, very beautiful symbolic tradition. And now, sir will hand over the coffee table book of the National Stock Exchange, that has described beautiful 30-year journey of the National Stock Exchange. Thank you so much. I request the dignitaries to please be on stage. Yes, I request all the sir to please be on stage, as now we will be heading for the very, very historic moment. I'll quickly invite the dignitaries on stage as we are running out of time. So firstly, we already have the three dignitaries right here. I request Ms. Preeti Rathi Gupta to please come on stage, Mr. Roop Bothra once again to please come on stage, Mr. Krishna Gupta, Ms. Tanisha Rathi, Mr. Varun Sabu, Mr. Vijay Agarwal, Ms. Sudha Navandar, Mr. Suresh Katanhar, Mr. Suresh Kakani, Mr. Rakesh Rawal, Mr. Firoz Aziz, and Mr. Tarak Shah to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most awaited moment, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for is finally here. We'll quickly have a photo op of all the dignitaries on stage, post which we'll be inviting at the 10 a.m. listing roar. And what's going to happen in that roar is just 10 seconds before the listing ceremony, we will be having a countdown. So what we have to do is we have to shout together, that is 10, 9, 8, 7. So I'll give you a cue so you don't have to worry. Till then you can continue taking the videos and the pictures. But I request everyone that while the pictures are being taken now, during the ceremony, please don't get up, as we have our wonderful media team at the back taking and capturing this wonderful ceremony. So ladies and gentlemen, we're just 2 to 3 minutes away. And now it's in just some time, in a couple of minutes, yes, 9:58. So in 2 minutes, we will be having this historic moment into our lives, getting listed on the stock exchanges of the country. Yes, I request the dignitaries to be in a way where, we all can see you. The pictures come absolutely perfect, because this is a perfect moment for all of us indeed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just a minute more to go, because of course the last minute we'll have to do a big shout, we'll have to cheer, we'll have to hoot, even whistles are welcome, because this is the time for us to bring the roof down. So ladies and gentlemen, everybody's eyes on the clock. So yes, in just a minute's time we will start applauding, we'll start cheering and hooting. All right, just a minute to go. We're just waiting for 9:59 so we can bring in all our energies together and welcome this wonderful, wonderful moment and felicitate the 30 years of legacy of the Anand Rathi Group. Yes. All right, as you can see, it's 1 minute to go, everybody. We can start making some noise, because just 10 seconds before, yes, 50 seconds to go, everyone. As you can see, they're all set by holding the bell. Ladies and gentlemen, 40 more seconds to go. Keep applauding, keep roaring, because, this is the time which we don't need any coffee or caffeine. 30 more seconds to go, everybody. Be ready, because in the next 20 seconds we have to do the countdown. And I want your noise to be louder than mine and the mic. Okay, 20 more seconds to go. Everybody continue the applauses. And we have the most iconic moment that we all have been waiting for. So everybody on the count of 3, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, the bell has rung. Anand Rathi Shares Stockbrokers Limited is officially listed on the National Stock Exchange. Once again, can we have a thunderous, thunderous round of applause and bring the roof down? What a milestone. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. Yes. Once the photo op is over, we will be continuing with the ceremony of exchanging of mementos. Just give us a minute and then we'll be continuing with the ceremony. I'll be requesting Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan sir to please be on stage. Once the photo op is over, we'll be continuing with the National Stock Exchange mementos to the partners. And then we'll be having the company management giving to their partners. Yes, I request, yes, after the photo op, the dignitaries to please take your seats. Thank you so much. Thank you. Meanwhile, I also request, yes, all the dignitaries to please take your seats. Yes, that's the sound that we all have been waiting for. Hearty, hearty congratulations to the whole family. Thank you so much. I request the dignitaries to please take your seats. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan sir to please be on stage as we continue with the mementos. Thank you, ma'am. I request you to please take your seat. Ashish sir? Yes, Ashish sir, please be on stage. Ashish sir, I request you please be on stage. At the same time, I invite, by honoring the Nuvama Wealth Management Limited team to please come on stage. Yes, I request the Nuvama Wealth Management team to please come on stage as Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will felicitate you. I request you to please quickly come on stage. The Nuvama Wealth Management Limited team. I request the DAM Capital Advisors Limited team to please be on standby right away next to the stage. The DAM Capital Advisors team. Dharmesh sir, the MD and CEO. Now I invite representatives from DAM Capital Advisors Limited to please come on stage. At the same time, I request Anand Rathi Advisors Limited team to please be on standby next to the stage. Thank you so much. Now I invite the representatives from Anand Rathi Advisors Limited to please.
A celebration of couture, craftsmanship and culture. DLF Emporio brings yet another edition.